Welcome to KEC. Welcome to KEC.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in.
Welcome fellows of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College. It's been a long time, but today's session it's about the coffee grinder machine. We are going to see its part, function, and some problem and how you can solve it. So it has the problem of the grinding size adjustment. The ring does not move well. So let's proceed. This one is called the bean hopper. It is used to store the coffee beans. So this is the stopper. Allow the beans to going down the grinding chamber, and also this is the adjustable ring, which help you to set the fine coffee or coarse coffee in order to get the coffee you want. So this is the housing where electric motor for grinding, for providing the primary mechanical motion is stored. So, and also this is the doser chamber which store the temporary the grind coffee, and this is the doser handle which help you to allow the grinded coffee inside the doser chamber going to the portafilter. This is the portafilter. This one you just insert in the portafilter rest, where you insert it for holding it, and in order to help you allow the fine coffee going inside. And also this is the power on. This is the overrode switch. This is overrode switch, and this is the cable where I use it to supply the electrical power to our coffee grinder machine. So let's proceed. We see this link does not move, so we are going to open it and grease inside the thread to allow free turning clockwise or anti-clockwise to help you to set the size of grinding. So let's proceed. So let's open. We see inside how we open, and we see how inside is. So this is the adjusting ring which help you to set the fine coffee and other things. See, it's major. So we remove this one, and you see this is the way coffee is pressed between this gear and this one. When you put the coffee inside here, it will go between those two gear, and this gear it is attached on the motor. Where it rotate, it grind where your coffee, and after grinding you see it will go out here. So after go out, it will go inside here. So after inside here, so we are going to close it. If it is stuck, you grease inside those threads, you grease inside it, and we just again close it very well. Just it seems like you press in order to get where it closed. if you want adjust, let's we put in 4, and we are going to operate it in order to see how the coffee we get is. Coffee grinder machine. So this is the top where you insert your coffee beans. You see, you pour out and you put in it again, and this is the stopper. If you want to allow those coffee beans going down, you pour, and you cross. So we'll see, we set in the 4. Make sure on the mark. So we are going to start our coffee grinder in order to see it very well how it operates. So but before we see, we must remove all those. You see, or remove all things. If you want to get the coffee, you just press here. We see, if you press, you allow it, you will pull it. Yeah, this is how you will allow it to going down on your water filter. See it very well. So for example, you will insert your coffee here. This is espresso machine. So you come, this is portafilter, you put here and allow going down. So we will observe it, no worry. So we are going to operate it. So we are going to see how it operates. So this is the hole where I grinded coffee, going out from the grinding chamber, going inside this dorsa chamber. So let's press on. You see, this is how it is filled inside the dorsa chamber. So if you want to allow it down on the portafilter, you see, so thank you so much.